Hi, this is a quick walkthrough of my algorithm study project that I have posted on my website. The link to the GitHub repo should be at the bottom of the project card if you want to look there. But I want to go through a little bit of what's actually in that repo and how I've organized it and how I use this. Um, First of all, I use this as a way for me to check back in on the things that I've learned over time, the problems that I've solved, whether it's through classes I've taken at OSU, Oregon State University, or through the study that I've done on my own. Um, so, as you can see, the folders are all organized by different genres. So, in this case, we've got dynamic programming problems, we've got divide and conquer problems that has to do with binary search or merge sort, things like that. We've also got backtracking problems and a ton of array problems, so on and so forth. Just to show you a little bit of how some of these work. Usually, what I've got at the top is a description of the problem. Sometimes it helps to hit Alt-Z if you're using VS Code to make them all kind of fit in your window. But there's a description of the problem and my intuition of going through it and a description of the time complexity. That's not always there because sometimes I'm just enjoying going through them kind of like one might solve a Sudoku in the morning with their coffee. Um, and oftentimes beyond that, I'll have some sort of test that explains or shows a bit of how that algorithm works and tests whether it does work or not. So in this case, we can run this program and we see that there is a print output. Yeah, so that's most of how this is organized. There's also a data structures folder in here. None of this code actually runs, you'll see, because there are some very customized what's it called, libraries and classes that are not included here. These are things that I did through the data structures class in Oregon State University, and I thought it would be really important for me to be able to keep track of that work so that way I could always refer back to them and remember my data structures and how a lot of them were constructed. Here we have singly linked lists. We have stacks that are made with dynamic arrays versus singly linked lists. Different heap structures, so on and so forth. And so I really wanted to keep track of that for my own benefit. And I hope that they're helpful for other people as well. Yeah, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. My email address is samisayed.dev@gmail.com, or go to my website and message me through the contact page, which my website is samisayed.dev. I hope you're doing well, and I hope this is helpful and interesting for you. Take care. Bye.